All right, guys, welcome back to the Roadmap Journey series. We are now into module 24, Instagram. So, this module is not the first module in the course to be taught by someone other than Zach or Hannah. It's just worth mentioning. It's extremely in depth. So, this course that you're about to get, 100% Holly Rust, who is the person that is educating you in this, could definitely sell this course on her own. And I'm sure she does. If you are serious about growing a business on Instagram, this is definitely something that you need to pay attention to because it is very, very thorough and it is definitely something that is going to help you build your business on Instagram. So, having said all that, the first introduction video is really just an introduction to Holly Rust, understanding where she's from, all of that. And so then you're going to dive into the next video where she's going to outline everything that you're going to learn within this mini course that's within this big course. And then you move into the introduction to Instagram. And so this introduction, as you would expect, is really just an outline of what Instagram is, where the growth has been, how many people are winning on Instagram, what the capabilities are, and really just all the selling points on why you need to get started on Instagram today. Then the next two videos are going to be how to create your account, how to optimize your bio. So then she's going to take you on a little bit of a tour through all of the basics that you have within Instagram, all of the features that you get. And then she's going to tell you what you need to do before you're posting. She's going to give you a full tutorial on how to create a reel. And then she's going to follow that up with how to select trending audios and give you some tips around creating compelling Instagram posts that are hopefully going to convert into leads for you. Now, if you're wondering why I'm not deep diving into each video, it is because there's so much in this module. If I did what I normally do, this video, it would be 45 minutes long. I'd have to split it into 3 parts. It's extensive. So now you're going to learn how to use SEO to grow your business on Instagram. You'll learn how to write creative captions, how to use hashtags properly, what looks good, what looks gaudy, and how to make it visually appealing for someone coming in and seeing your Instagram post. The next video is all about marketing strategy on Instagram. All of the things that you should be doing to make sure that you are marketing your products or your services the correct way on Instagram and really capitalizing on the platform. Then you're going to learn about link and bio tips and then setting up automations. You're going to get an entire video on engagement tips and strategies and what you need to do to really connect with the people that are following you, with other content creators, and how that benefits you as you continue to grow on Instagram. You have an entire video on great hooks and calls to action. So she is giving you everything that you need wrapped up in a box with a bow on it in order for you to succeed or at least get started in a successful manner on Instagram. It's really up to you to take these things and implement them on your own. So the next 2 videos are about content tips and reminders, and then the content organization. How to keep everything together, how to not lose yourself and be so overwhelmed by the content, which then segues into a bulk creating content system that she literally lays out for you in this entire video. So for anyone that doesn't understand what that means when I say bulk creating, I mean actually designating a day to record multiple videos that would now branch off to 10, 20, 30 pieces of content that could potentially last you a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. And so we finally round out this module at video 20. And she's just giving you now a bunch of very helpful tips and tricks, some bonus tips and tricks that really don't fall into a category that can help you with mindset, understanding that anyone that's on any platform started with zero. They picked up their phone, they started recording, they gained one follower, then 100, then 1,000, then 10,000, then 1,000,000, whatever it is, wherever you're at in your journey, everyone started at zero. So once she goes through all of those tips, we close out this module, and so that'll wrap it up. We now move into the next module, which is all about YouTube. If there's any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And as I always say, guys, thank you and have a great day.